Share web forms via airSlate API. Create a template for the employee review workflow. Add the Employee Benefits Survey form from the online library. Retrieve a list of every form template. Copy the form template ID. Upload the form template Employee Benefits Survey form to the template. Upload the Annual Performance Review form, which we created in advance. Retrieve the default step for the template. Rename the default recipient step to Employee. Create a new step, Supervisor. Now your template has two steps. Assign fillable fields in the Annual Performance Review form to the employee and supervisor. Indicate the form ID in the parameters and field ID and step ID in the request body. Configure the employee review workflow in your airSlate account. Let's hide the Employee Benefits Survey form for the supervisor. Now, publish the template version. Since we have not yet published the template, we can still retrieve the version ID from the template creation response. Create a flow based on the template. Retrieve the role IDs for creating links to the flow. Embed the links to the flow for seamless document completion. The employee will fill out forms according to the adjusted settings. The supervisor then completes the annual performance review form.